The Last Message, complete English mystery thriller story for listening practice level 3. At exactly 11:47 p.m., Noah received a message from his dead best friend. I know who killed me. Noah stared at the screen without breathing. For several seconds he thought he was dreaming. His bedroom was completely silent except for the sound of rain hitting the windows. Slowly he looked at the sender's name again. Daniel. Impossible. 3 months earlier, Daniel Harper had died in a terrible car accident outside the city. At least, that was what the police said. But there was one strange detail nobody could explain. Daniel's body was never found. At first, Noah believed somebody was playing a cruel joke. His hands shook as he typed a reply. Who is this? 3 dots appeared immediately. Then another message arrived. Check the old train station locker. Noah's heart pounded. Another message followed. Locker 214. Then the conversation ended. Noah tried calling the number. The phone answered instantly, but nobody spoke. Only breathing. Slow, cold, heavy breathing. Then the call disconnected. Noah barely slept that night. Every time he closed his eyes, he remembered the accident, or what little he knew about it. 3 months earlier, Daniel had left a party around midnight during heavy rain. Police later discovered his damaged car near Raven Bridge outside town. The driver's door was open. Blood covered the steering wheel. But Daniel himself had disappeared. The river below the bridge was deep and dangerous. Police believed his body had been washed away by the current. Case closed. But Noah never fully believed it. Daniel would never disappear without telling him something. They had been best friends since childhood. They knew everything about each other, or at least Noah thought they did. The next morning, dark clouds still covered the city. Noah skipped school and took the bus downtown. The old train station stood near the edge of the city beside abandoned warehouses. Most people avoided the place now. Half the building had already been closed for years. Broken lights flickered above empty platforms. The station smelled like rain, rust, and old newspapers. Noah walked nervously toward the old lockers near platform 6. Locker 214 stood in the far corner. Its metal door looked scratched and damaged. Noah swallowed hard. Then he slowly opened it. Inside sat a small black phone covered in dried blood. Noah stared at it silently. The battery screen still glowed green. 95% impossible. Slowly, Noah picked it up. The moment he touched the phone, ring. Noah nearly dropped it. Caller ID Daniel. His hands trembled violently as he answered. Hello? For several seconds nobody spoke. Then came whispering, very faint. Noah. Noah froze. The voice sounded weak, broken. But it was Daniel's voice. Daniel! Where are you? Static filled the call. Then Daniel whispered something terrifying. He's watching. The call ended immediately. Noah stood frozen beside the lockers. His mind spun with questions. If Daniel was alive, why hide? And who was watching him? Suddenly, footsteps echoed nearby. Noah quickly looked up. A tall man wearing a dark coat stood across the station platform watching him silently. The man's face remained hidden beneath a black hood. For several uncomfortable seconds, neither moved. Then a train passed between them loudly, and when it was gone, the man had disappeared. Noah left the station immediately. Rain poured heavily outside. As he walked home, he examined the black phone carefully. The lock screen showed dozens of unread messages. Most were from unknown numbers. But one message caught Noah's attention. Stop asking questions. Sent 2 days before Daniel disappeared. Another message read, You saw something you shouldn't have. Noah's stomach tightened. What had Daniel discovered? Back at home, Noah searched through the phone late into the evening. Most apps were deleted. Most photos were missing. Almost like somebody had erased everything intentionally. Then Noah discovered one hidden audio recording, recorded the night Daniel disappeared. With shaking hands, Noah pressed play. At first, only rain and car sounds filled the recording. Then Daniel's voice appeared. "I think he's following me." Heavy breathing, a car horn. Then another voice spoke suddenly, a deep male voice. "You should have stayed quiet." Daniel sounded terrified. "Please, listen. I won't tell anyone." Then came screaming, tires screeching, a loud crash. The recording ended. Noah sat frozen in horror. Someone had murdered Daniel, and whoever it was had erased the evidence. Suddenly, ding! A new message appeared on the black phone. "You listened to the recording." Noah's blood turned cold. Another message arrived immediately. "You need to stop now." Noah typed quickly. "Who are you?" This time the reply came instantly. "Look outside." Slowly, Noah turned toward his bedroom window. A black car sat across the street. Its headlights remained off, but somebody sat inside, watching the house. Noah stepped backward immediately. Then his phone rang again. Unknown number. He answered carefully. "Noah," Daniel whispered weakly. "You don't have much time." "Daniel, where are you?" "They lied about the accident." Noah's heartbeat became faster. "What happened that night?" For several seconds only static answered. Then Daniel whispered, "I found something at Raven Bridge." "What?" Daniel sounded terrified. "A body." Noah froze. "What do you mean?" "It wasn't an accident," Daniel whispered. Then suddenly another voice interrupted the call. Cold. Angry. "You should have stayed dead." The line disconnected instantly. Noah stared at the phone in horror. Somebody else had been listening. That night, Noah could not sleep. Around 2:13 a.m., he heard movement outside his house. A car door closing. Footsteps, slow footsteps approaching the front door. Noah quietly looked through his bedroom curtain. The black car still waited outside. But now the driver stood near Noah's mailbox, tall, wearing a dark hood, watching the house silently. Then the man slowly lifted his head. Even from far away, Noah felt terrified. The man was smiling. Suddenly, bang! Somebody hit the front door loudly. Noah jumped violently. Another bang followed. Bang! Bang! Then silence. Noah held his breath. A few seconds later, his phone vibrated again. One new message. "Run." At that exact moment, the lights inside the house went out. Darkness swallowed everything. Noah's breathing became fast. Downstairs, he heard the front door creak open slowly. Somebody had entered the house. Step, step, step. The footsteps moved across the living room below. Then slowly, toward the stairs. Noah grabbed the black phone and backed away from his bedroom door. His heart hammered painfully. Another message appeared on the screen. Window. Without hesitation, Noah opened his bedroom window and climbed onto the fire escape outside. Cold rain hit his face instantly. Inside the house, the footsteps reached his bedroom door. The handle slowly turned. Noah climbed down the metal stairs as quickly as possible. The moment his feet touched the ground, he heard his bedroom door burst open upstairs. "He's outside!" A man shouted angrily. Noah ran. Rain soaked his clothes as he sprinted through empty streets. Behind him, car engines roared to life. They were chasing him. Desperately, Noah pulled out the phone. "Daniel, please help me!" For several terrifying seconds, nothing happened. Then the phone screen lit up. One message appeared. "Go to the subway tunnel under Raven Bridge." Noah stopped running suddenly. Raven Bridge. The place where Daniel disappeared. Lightning flashed across the sky. Somewhere behind him, headlights appeared around the corner. They were getting closer. Noah looked toward the dark road leading outside the city. Then he started running toward Raven Bridge. Story continues with all expanded chapters, including the tunnel, Daniel being alive, Detective Harper, the corruption conspiracy, the hidden files, the underground railway, and the final ending with the mysterious message, "I'm still here." The end.